Welcome to Chris 2A Gear Reviews. We are about to start phase 2 of our 2013 Lexus ES 350 detailing restoration. We are moving to the interior. Now, all of these items can be purchased from off of Amazon. So if you're interested, go to Amazon. You can pick up the brush, the chemical guys, leather cleaner and conditioner, and these Exoformer premium microfiber applicating pads. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out there. I'm going to show you the area that I'm going to be working on. And we're going to show you what this product does to restore the leather inside of the 2013 Lexus ES350. Alright, so this is the area we're going to be working on right here. I want to get a real good close-up view. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this area in half. I'll probably do from this portion on up, so we can have a side-by-side comparison. So what I'm going to do is pause the video, set my camera up. We're going to go through the process. Alright, so we have our leather cleaner. We got our horsehair bristle brush. The proper procedure is you don't want to spray it directly on here because you have to remember you have these perforated seats right here. You don't want to get any liquid in there. So you apply the product to your brush and you brush it onto your surface so you can have more control of it. So I sprayed the good portion on there. We're going to take it and we're just going to work it. Working onto the surface. We're only going to do this portion right here. It's sudding up real good. Put a little bit more product on there. Once I get that first initial good saturation, then I won't have to apply as much product. There we go. Now that's what I want to see right there. Much better, much better. Oh yeah, it's bringing that thing back. Ooh, ooh. Let's go ahead and wipe it off. Got me a mostly clean microfiber. Let's wipe it off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got us a winner. We got us a winner. Side by side. That's the portion I just cleaned. That's the dirty portion right there. Now let's go ahead and make sure we got a good clean dry surface. Let's put some conditioner on there. So we got our conditioner. How you want to do your conditioner is you want to put your few little You're going to want to put your few little blots on your microfiber applicator pad. It's a few little blots. One right here, one right here, one right here, one right here. And just spread it across the surface. Once again, since it's the first time we're using it, you want to use a little bit of extra product. Then after you do that, you won't have to use as much. Spread that across there. There we go. Leaves a nice shine to the area. Think we got us a winner. May want to go ahead and try that chemical, guys. Leather cleaner and conditioner. I give it the Chris 2A Gear Review, seal of approval. Y'all be blessed, be safe, I'm out. I may do a quick little video to show you how to do the perforated seats too.